Hello, everybody. My name is Rick McCutcheon. I'm a Dynamics 365 MVP. And today on Partner Talks, I have Nick Shah from Aptitude Software. Nick, tell us who you are, what you do, and all about your company.
Yeah, that's great. Thanks for the introduction there, Rick. I'm the SVP for Finance Digitalization within the product team here at Aptitude Software. In terms of my role, that means I have responsibility for setting the long-term vision and strategy for our products and really ensuring that they're aligned to what our clients and our target markets need.
And you know
Prior
what?
to
That's great. Sorry, that's great, Nick, because we need to hear about your product because we're very excited about it in the Microsoft space. But to be honest with you, I know very little about it. So anything you can tell us would be fantastic.
Yeah, absolutely. So, we at Aptitude, we serve mid-tier and enterprise clients, and we see ourselves as experts in the intricacies of finance digitalization, accounting compliance, subscription management, and revenue management. Now, we've got a suite of products there, but really our focus for today's discussion is on what we do in the finance digitalization space, where really we are focusing on solving complex business problems for the office of the CFO. Now, as a company, we've been doing this for 25 years. It's absolutely our bread and butter. We focus on the office of the CFO and very much in terms of what they need to do from an accounting and a granular data perspective and our accounting hub solutions. Now, that's really key in terms of providing CFOs with that access to highly granular data, controlled data, and the fact that they need it obviously faster, cheaper, and better than they've done it in the past.
So that's great. So I know you're focused on the finance and operations marketplace within Dynamics. So kind of give me some use cases. So, if I'm a Microsoft partner in this space, I know where to, bring you in on what opportunities. And if I'm a Microsoft customer, I know whether I need your product or not.
Yeah, absolutely. So just a little bit more about our product, and I'll explain what we've therefore done with the Microsoft partnership. So, as I said, we focus around accounting hub solutions. Now, the key there is around the granular data that we can have to support a finance team. Last year, we launched Fynapse, which is Aptitude's next generation fully automated finance management platform. And that's been designed from the ground up, leveraging our 2 decades worth of experience with finance management solutions. Now, the first thing I'd say in terms of our Microsoft partnership is our Fynapse platform is deployable on Azure. Now, obviously, yeah, it's a SaaS-first offering built on cloud-native technologies. For us, it was non-negotiable not being on Azure, so absolutely deployable on Azure.
And Microsoft's going to love that. So carry on.
Secondly, we are a co-sell ISV partner. So to support that, we have our Fynapse integration with Dynamics has been published and certified on the AppSource. Now, we're really confident in the vision and design of our Fynapse solution, and it really, we're great to see that will help us really open up to new industries, new clients, and obviously, there's a huge range of opportunities for us. Thirdly, and most importantly, now this is where our Fynapse solution has now been integrated with Dynamics 365 F&O. Now, what that means is between the two products, we provide a complementary capability to Dynamics 365. Now, with Dynamics 365, obviously, it's a best-in-class solution to providing general ledger software and helping a finance management team focus on closing their period-end books, getting the right business insights and forward-looking elements to a finance function. What we will supplement that with is a granular subledger capability, which really allows you to bring in data at its most granular level through a controlled process, hold that data within our subledger. And then our integration with Dynamics means that we can provide an end-to-end solution for those more complex organizations that really do need to go further with their Dynamics implementation.
So this gives them sort of the ability now to take their data and to really format that data in the way they need to see it to run their business. Or, it's probably going to almost act as a corridor effect that now got this data and I can understand how I can look at it. Hey, what else can we do with it?
Yeah, absolutely. And the data transparency and auditability is absolutely key to a finance function. So if you're a Dynamics user, you can look at your general ledger balances and then drill back through into the detail that we store in our Fynapse solution. So that, again, is part of our integrated product offering, is the ability to drill through from Dynamics into the Fynapse solution.
So, and you're a global company with offices, across the globe, I should say. And how many employees work for your organization?
So we are up to around 400 employees split across major offices in the UK, US, and Asia Pacific. And we have a dedicated engineering and development center and innovation center based in Poland.
Okay, so you can really, and this is important too when we're getting into the, finance and operations end of things. You can support global customers, but you can also support global partners.
Absolutely. So, I mean, global reach, yes, and then also the industries we operate in. So, we've got a strong presence in financial services, telecoms, and now growing in the manufacturing space. Obviously, with that integration with Dynamics, that's going to be key in terms of being able to reach out to, I said, mid-tier and enterprise clients as well. That's really where our strength has been. And that again, it's a very complementary market and industry set that we provide to the Dynamics implementations.
Okay, Nick, thanks for joining us today. And, your product sounds very exciting. I think you're going to do very, very well in the Microsoft space. Do you have any closing remarks for our audience?
No, I'm just looking forward to engage further with partners and really start to talk through some of the finance end user and the client benefits that we'll see from the integrated solution, and how we can work closer with partners as we also evolve our product and look at new features and capabilities.
Okay, thank you. And I know we've got some deep dive programs we're putting together with MS Dynamics World. So I'll be talking to you soon and getting deeper into your product. Thanks for your time, and we'll have you on again to talk more about where your product's going and how you're helping partners.
That's great. Thank you very much for the time, Rick.
Bye for now.